Good morning. I had the gnarliest headache this morning from caffeine deprivation. I just got my coffee, so I'm feeling a little better now. And I have a few hours to kill before I go into the Maroon Bells beautiful scenic hike that I have been dying to do for a long time. To hike the Maroon Bells, you have to have a reservation in advance. And there's also like a shuttle system as well, but I just got the regular reservation and I got the last one of the day. It's at 5 p.m. So I have a couple more hours to kill. So I'm currently at the library in Basalt, Colorado, going to update my devices and take a little break before I go on my hike later. And also I need to finish planning what I'm gonna do tomorrow. So today is a very nice day. It's absolutely beautiful out. I'm just enjoying all of the scenery from the scenic drive, and this community is also filled with the beautiful fall colors on all the trees, some reds and yellows. Can't complain. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and go in the library and get to work, do a little bit of more research and prep for this evening and tomorrow. Picked up my parking pass. Maroon Bells is an iconic viewpoint and perhaps one of the most famous in all of Colorado. Visitation requires a reservation, which can be made on their website. Visit maroonbells.com for about $10 a vehicle or $20 per shuttle passenger from May through October. For peak fall season, tickets are sold out weeks or months in advance. I had to make mine over a month ahead of time, basing my reservation date on peak season predictions I found online using explorefall.com and various blogs and social media posts from seasons past. I was maybe a little early, but overall still within the peak season window. All right, the viewpoint, the main viewpoint, is basically right here at the trailhead. Oh. So gorgeous.
Which is the next section above the core. That big dark channel. This is by Ophir, down by Telluride. by the rock, and a fox literally
Stay where you're at, because that
5
is
feet
getting
from
in the
us.
middle of that.
Oh, there's a couple deer.
Yeah.
I know, it like took me back.
I know, because here we get like estrogen and estradiol. There's no fuel in the tank. There's no fuel. Are we gonna do something like this? Something like.
This place is so amazing. Making friends.
I don't think it's time charging.
Hi, dear. Little babies. Hi, babies.
I'm gonna move you over just a little bit more.
Yeah, tons of wildlife out here.
I mean, I'm less strict about it here. Technically, this should all be under one. Z8. Yeah, it was a fun course. Sandals in the while it's still daylight, or go back to my truck and put shoes on and climb down in the dark.
Hi, little fox. Cool. What a beautiful place. Definitely glad I was able to grab a reservation here while it was in its, maybe not the peakest peak day, but pretty peaky. After visiting the iconic Maroon Bells Scenic Area, I drove through the night to Buc-ee's in Johnstown, Colorado to get gas at a great price and pick up a bite to eat, then finally to the Cheyenne, Wyoming Welcome Center, where I ended the day. My plan was to return to Colorado in a couple of days in hopes that the fall colors would be a little further along. In total, my daily drive time was about 7 hours and 350 miles. I was exhausted, and tomorrow would prove to be another ambitious day on the road. See you then!
Uray's got some pretty badass hot springs.